Hey, what's up, Digibyte holder? Digibyte holder, in this time the price will pumps up, and definitely after a short phase, definitely they will take a very huge jump. So therefore, I will notify you to, if you want my friends to get a profit now, do this what I tell you. I will give you 100% guarantee. They will give you a profit also now. So the price will pumping up, but definitely if a holder are starting hold now and they cannot starting selling. Otherwise, this is impossible, my friends, to you will earn now. So thanks for watching. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time. Please, Digibyte holder, I have one request for all of you, my friends, to in those days, especially if someone tell me, my friends, to upcoming time there is a chance to we will, my friends, do something like this car. So can this is possible? Can this is good, my friend, or not? Please everything details now, otherwise my friend we will cancel that also now. So thanks for watching, my friends. Kindly like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.